Yeah, as you can see, the crosswalk signal didn't activate. See, there's only one. See, when I press it, it will activate. But it has to go through this signal here, and some guy made a random U-turn, which is he's not supposed to do that. So we're gonna have to wait for the signal to change. Notice the signal here. Yep, there you go. Now you're gonna get a walk signal after that changes. There we go. That is a weird buzz, on this signal. I have never heard that buzzer on this signal before. That is interesting. Yeah. And once it changes back, now crosswalk signal will turn to walk. Here's another one right here. That button's low. Still need to wait for like a couple seconds. We're still green on this one. It will change. We do need to get on the other side so we can actually get to so we can get to downtown. There's still more traffic coming from the left. Oh, I hit the signal. There it goes, finally.
Wait, we'll turn yellow. I'll wait with that.
There.
There's no noise. You should have a noise. Click, 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 click. You should have that, right?
Yeah. I remember this. It's like a bike signal here, but I don't know what happened with this now. That's it. Alright guys, I found the signal here. There's still a BSF coal train going by. So we're gonna do a little crosswalk here. Well, crosswalk for it. This one's pretty old. Like I said, this is the only crosswalk button here, so it only activates a singular time, and you will see why when the signal change. You can still hear BSF culture going. Yep, there we go. That is actually why. It's because the crosswalk signal button is still at one of those signals is on those springs, and they said they're going to be replacing the signals with the newer versions like this, but there's going to be two of them like that, and the signal is about to change. So yeah, watch the signal change.